Plants are green primarily due to a pigment called chlorophyll, which plays a crucial role in photosynthesis by absorbing sunlight. Chlorophyll absorbs light most efficiently in the blue and red wavelengths, reflecting green light, which is why our eyes perceive plants as green. The green color of plants not only attracts attention, but also indicates that they are healthy and capable of photosynthesis, converting sunlight into energy. Inside the plant cells, chlorophyll is found in tiny structures called chloroplasts, which are vital for transforming sunlight into chemical energy. This process allows plants to grow and thrive using the energy captured by chlorophyll to produce their food through photosynthesis. In addition to sunlight, plants rely on water and nutrients from the soil, which further supports their growth and reinforces their green coloration. The significance of chlorophyll extends beyond appearance. It is essential for sustaining life on Earth by producing oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis. This vital process not only nourishes plants but also supports ecosystems, making green plants crucial for maintaining biodiversity and environmental health. Scientists continue to study how varying light conditions and other factors influence the intensity of green in plants, deepening our understanding of plant biology. This ongoing research offers insights into how we can better cultivate plants, ensuring that they remain healthy and vibrant as they contribute to our planet's ecosystem. As we nurture plants and understand their needs, we foster a deeper connection to nature, appreciating the role they play in our lives and the environment. Community efforts in gardening not only promote sustainability but also encourage individuals to engage with nature, enriching their lives through shared experiences. Inspired by the beauty of green plants, artists and nature enthusiasts often express their admiration through various forms of art, celebrating the richness of life around us. This connection encourages us to cherish and protect green spaces, recognizing their importance for our well-being and the health of our planet. Community initiatives like tree planting not only enhance our surroundings but also contribute to cleaner air and improved mental health outcomes for individuals. These interactions highlight the significance of plants in supporting biodiversity, providing habitats for countless species that share our world. Through such markets, we reconnect with the sources of our food, fostering a greater appreciation for the role that thriving green plants play in our diets and overall health. These moments spent in nature remind us of the importance of green spaces in urban life, while scientific exploration unveils the mysteries of how plants communicate and thrive. Engaging with the natural world not only promotes physical health but also fosters curiosity and learning, paving the way for future generations to cherish and protect our green heritage. Such advancements highlight the intersection of science and nature, urging us to rethink our relationship with plants and the vital roles they play in our ecosystems. These efforts reinforce the understanding that protecting our green environment is essential for maintaining biodiversity and ensuring the health of our planet for years to come. Such initiatives encourage responsible stewardship of our natural resources, ensuring that green spaces continue to flourish and benefit future generations. These collective efforts remind us that every action counts in preserving the integrity of our ecosystems, fostering a sense of unity within communities dedicated to conservation. Through such experiences, we cultivate a deeper appreciation for the simple yet profound beauty found in nature, inspiring us to protect and celebrate our green surroundings.